What if you could identify where big players, like institutions, are making their moves? Welcome back to CryptoHubHQ, where we explore the tools that give you an edge in trading. Today, we're diving into order blocks, the hidden footprints of institutional activity. Order blocks, or OBs, are zones on a chart where institutions have placed significant buy or sell orders. These areas often act as strong support or resistance levels, reflecting liquidity accumulation or distribution. Order blocks play a critical role in liquidity. Institutions accumulate or distribute large orders in these zones, creating high levels of liquidity. Recognizing these areas helps traders identify key market turning points. Order blocks align closely with market structure. For example, an OB near a break of structure often signals a high probability entry zone. In our future videos, we'll show you exactly how to spot these setups and take advantage of them. Order blocks reveal the footprints of institutional traders. Master this concept, and you'll start seeing the market from a whole new perspective. Thanks for watching CryptoHubHQ. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more trading insights.